ready to become the ultimate Blooket master and catch 'em all. First, you'll need gold, gold, and more gold. Head over to the Discover tab and start hosting or joining games. The more you play, the more you earn. Focus on game modes you're good at to maximize your gold per hour. Now for the fun part, buying boxes. Click on the Market tab and choose your box. Each box contains a random selection of Blooks. Some are common, others are super rare. Keep buying until you get the ones you're missing. Remember, different boxes have different Blook pools, so check which ones have the Blooks you need. It's all about strategy. Keep an eye out for special events and limit time Blooks. These events often have unique Blooks that you can only get during a specific time. Check the Blooket blog or social media for announcements. Don't get discouraged if you don't get everything right away. Collecting all the Blooks takes time and dedication. Keep playing, keep buying boxes, and keep an eye on those events. With persistence and a little luck, you'll complete your collection in no time. Good luck and happy Blooket hunting.